I'm gonna show you how to remove the antenna motor. Complete assembly. So of course in my previous video I removed the stoplight. So the panel is open over here, the clock panel. So everything is visible right now. So you just have to remove it. You need 70 millimeter wrench and 10 millimeter socket. So we remove the 17 millimeter nut, and then we remove the 10 millimeter bolts, connection, antenna connection, and remove the antenna motor assembly. So that's how you remove the antenna motor assembly. So this is for water drain normally. So the water drain, it's fitted right there in that hole. So thanks for watching.